Is it on? I think yeah. Thanks for joining us today for our science lesson. Everyone say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Let's start with our meditation.
Think about our heart center.
That's right. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in our lap and close your eyes. Feel for boom, 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 boom in your heart center. Move your right hand to your lap. And let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And let's begin our science lesson. In this science lesson, we're going to review all of the materials that we've studied. So we'll think about all of those materials and we'll talk a little bit about what those materials have in common and what they don't have in common. And for the last part of class, we're going to use a worksheet and go on a little treasure hunt to find some things around our classroom and maybe even the school that are made up of some of those different kinds of materials. So first thing we're going to do is think about some of the materials that we've studied so far. There's 6 of them. Does anybody know any of the materials that we've studied so far? I'll give you a clue. One of them you can see through. Glass is one. Good. Glass. Plastic. Good. Metal. Yeah, wood. Good, friends. Rubber. We've got one more. Yeah. And ceramic. my friend. That's great work. That's a lot of things to think of. So we've got ceramic, glass, plastic, metal, wood, and rubber. Very nice job, friends. So those different things are all around our classroom in different places. They're all around our school in different places. And sometimes we have things that are made up of more than one of those materials. So we sometimes see a glass bottle with a metal lid or a plastic lid, or sometimes we have something like a pencil that's made of wood, but it also has some rubber and metal at the end of it. So some things can be made up of more than one material. Other things are made up just of one of these materials, but we've got a lot of them all over our classroom. Okay, friends, what is this material?
Ceramic.
Good, it's ceramic. What is ceramic made of?
Clay.
Clay. Good. Ceramic is made of different kinds of clay. Can we see through ceramic?
No.
No, it's solid. We can't see on the other side of it. Can we break ceramic?
Yeah.
Yes, we can break ceramic if we drop it. Yeah, we sure can. Very nice. What's this material? Wood. Very nice. We use wood to build homes. That's right. What is wood made out of? What are these? Trees. Yeah, wood is made from trees. Very nice, friends. And we do use wood in our homes. Where do we use wood in our classroom? Where do you see wood in our classroom? The door? The desk? Good. Part of our whiteboard? Good. And on our pencils. Yeah, we've got wood on our pencils. Very nice, friends. So we've got wood in a lot of different places around us. We've got a lot of different examples of wood in our classroom and also in our homes. Yes? Sometimes? Yep, sometimes. Okay, everybody put your eyes up here. What's this material? Metal. Metal. Yeah, metal. Metal. Is it soft or hard? Hard. It's pretty hard. Can we break metal?
No.
It's pretty hard. Yeah, it's pretty tricky to break metal. To break it into two pieces. But think about your ruler. Can we bend metal?
Yeah.
Where we put a curve in it? Yeah, a lot of times with our rulers, we can bend those rulers a little bit. What about a metal spoon, Pang Pong? Can we bend a metal spoon?
Yeah.
We can?
Yeah.
A metal spoon?
No.
We can't bend a metal spoon, friends. Think about that metal spoon. That was too hard to bend. We can't bend that. We can't bend that.
Fork. Yes.
Sometimes we can bend those little forks, but we have a really hard metal spoon for our experiments, and we couldn't bend those. We tried, but it was too hard to bend. What about in water? Does that metal float or sink?
Sink.
A lot of our metal sank right to the bottom, didn't it, in our experiments? Yeah, it went to the bottom. Very nice. What is this material? Plastic. Yeah, these are the tops of plastic bottles. Plastic bottles. Does plastic float or sink?
Float.
A lot of our plastic floated when we had our experiment. Can we see through plastic?
No.
Think about a plastic water bottle. Can we see through that?
Yes.
Yeah. What about plastic like these lids though? Can we see through those? No. So some plastic we can see through, some plastic we can't see through. Very nice, friends. What's that? Glass.
Yeah, see-through.
Glass is see-through. You're right. Can we break glass?
No.
Yeah, we can break glass. We sure could. We sure could. Can we bend glass?
No.
No, we can't bend that glass. Yeah, because it's hard. We can't bend that glass. It's too hard. So glass is too hard to bend, but we can break it if we're not careful. Okay. Very nice. Very nice, friends. What was this material? Ceramic. Good.
Rubber.
Rubber. Rubber. Can we break rubber?
Yeah.
Can we bend rubber?
Yeah.
Did those rubber bands sink or float in our experiment? Yeah, they did both, right? Some stayed at the top floating, and other ones went down and they sank to the bottom. So rubber, like a lot of our materials, acts different ways depending on the shape. So some materials, some things are made up of more than one of those materials. Like, what is this? A car. Where is there glass on the car? Yeah, on those windows, it's glass so that we can see through those windows. Where do we have metal on this car? Yeah, this orange part is metal. What about rubber? Yeah, those wheels are tires. Those are made out of rubber down here on the bottom. How many are there? 4. Where is there plastic on this car? Yeah, on the bottom. Some plastic here with the lights have some plastic. Good. And our metal is all around this car in a lot of different places. We've got a lot of metal on that car. Okay, think about your pencil. Think about your pencil. What 3 materials that we know is your pencil made of? Wood, metal, and rubber. Yeah, usually wood, metal, and rubber. This one's metal. Metal. Some of our friends have plastic pencils, and that's a little different. But our classic pencil, like this one, we've got wood, metal, and rubber at the top. Can you hold up that pencil? Everybody look at Prow's pencil. What's that pencil made of? What's this pencil made of? Plastic. Does it have an eraser?
Yeah, this inside.
What's it made of?
Rubber.
Rubber. Good, friends. And Nadia's plastic pen also has some plastic and some metal. So does Down's pencil. Good, friends. So those pencils are made of wood, metal, and rubber. Pick up your pencil and show me which part is made of wood. Which part of your pencil is made of wood? Point to it. Good. Wood. Which part of your pencil is made of rubber?
Eraser.
The eraser. And where's the metal on your pencil? Where is there metal on your pencil? In between that pencil and the eraser, it helps hold that eraser onto your pencil. Very nice, friends. Very nice. So lots of things can be made up of different materials. Like this house. Like this house. This house is made up of 4 different kinds of materials. Pot, what is this part made of? Pot, what is this part made of?
Rock.
Some rocks or ceramic. Good. The walls are rocks or ceramics. Very nice. What about wood? Where is there wood on this house, Pang Pon?
Home.
Where is there wood on this house?
Rock.
Wood. Where is the wood?
Windows.
Around the windows. Around the windows. Very nice. And what else is on the windows? Glass. Yeah, so we can see through those windows and look outside. Very nice. Very nice. And what part of the house is metal, Prow?
Metal.
What part of the house is metal?
I think the red is on top.
The part on top. It's the roof. 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 Good job. The roof is the metal part. Very nice, friends. Everybody stand up. We're going to do a little stretch break. So stand up tall. Put your arms up over your head. Stretch your fingers. Put your arms in a T. And touch your toes. Come up and swing your heavy arms. Very nice. Stand up straight and tall. Let's do it again. Put your arms up high. Turn your hands forwards and backwards. Forwards and backwards, and put your arms in a T. And touch your toes. Everybody touch your toes. Now come up a little bit and swing your heavy arms. Stand up nice and tall. Let's practice balancing. Stand on one leg. You can try to close your eyes. Try to stay as still as you can. Still as you can. You don't want to move. Stay as still as you can, friends. You can put your arms out, but don't move too much. Keep your balance. Okay, let's switch legs. Stand on your other leg. Stand on your other leg. Same thing. Try to stay as still as you can. Still as you can. You can close your eyes. You can put your arms out. Stay as still as you can. Okay, stand on two legs. Stand on two legs. If you did it, say, I did it.
I did it.
Very nice. Okay, let's do 4 big steps. 3 big claps. 2 big jumps. 1 big spin. Okay, very nice. 3 little claps. 2 little jumps. 4 little steps. 1 tiny spin. And everybody take a seat. For the rest of our class, we're going to be using our worksheets. We're going to try to think about some different items and all the materials they're made of. So we want to try to think of things that have at least 2 different materials in them. So for our first material, what is that? Do you know what that first material says?
Metal. Metal. Plastic. Plastic.
Oh, sorry, I mean the item. What is our first item? Something in your hand.
Pencil.
Pencil. We've got a pencil. And what is our pencil made of?
Wood.
Wood. What else?
Rubber.
Rubber.
And metal.
And metal. Good. Metal. Okay, so we're going to use our paper. And we're going to be looking and thinking about things that are made of at least 2 different materials. So let's put our materials on the board. What are our materials that we have, friends, that we've studied so far?
Pencil.
What are the 6 materials we've studied so far? Wood, rubber, metal are 3 of them. Good. What are our other 3 materials?
Ceramic.
Glass.
And plastic.
And plastic. Good, friends. So we're going to be putting these 6 materials under our list here. So our first thing is a pencil.
Car.
You want to do a car?
Yeah.
Okay, car.
C. O.
A. Car. That's cool. Car. What's some of the materials on a car?
Metal.
Metal is on a car, so you can write metal. Glass.
Sand. Tissue.
Yep.
Don't say tissue.
So write small, my friends, because car has a lot of things
Metal.
that it's made of. You got metal,
Tissue.
glass,
Tissue.
Yep, you got it, bud.
And glass and then plastic.
It's got plastic. That's right.
Plastic.
Plastic.
And then. Oh, rubber.
Yeah, good. Rubber on the wheels. If you don't have enough room to write all 4, that's cool. Just choose 3 or 2 of them.
4. Finish.
You got 4 on there? All right, great. If you got 4, that's wonderful. Okay. If you got 3, that's cool. That's cool. That's fine.
And then.
What's another thing in our classroom that's made up of more than one material? That desk? What's the desk made of? It's just made of wood. Our bookshelf is just made of wood. Okay, Croupon's desk. That's made out of some different materials. Okay, her table. That can be our 3rd thing, the table. 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 It's made of wood.
And metal.
And some metal. Okay, you've got those words on the board. Go ahead and start writing those words. Wood and metal. Table. Table is made of wood and metal. Good job, girl. Very nice.
Wood.
Mm-hmm. What's it made of?
Plastic, glass, and metal. And finish.
Okay, that sounds great. His camera. His camera. Camera.
C.
See, good.
A. O. A.
E-R-A. His camera is made of a lot of different things. Good. Good job, buddy. Keep going. You're doing great.
Middle.
Table. Okay, if you know what it's made of, start writing it down. I'm going to finish table. Table is made of wood and metal.
Glass. Middle and glass.
What is this camera made of? Take a look at that camera and think about what that's made of.
Middle and then glass and then plastic.
All right, good thinking.
Middle. Glass.
Good. Wood on the desk, metal on the desk.
Middle and then 1, 2, 3.
Camera. Good. What's the camera made out of?
Plastic, middle, and glass. Finish.
Okay. Plastic, metal, and glass. Very nice, friends. Is there anything else in our room we can use? What do you think? Take
Picture.
the picture?
Yes.
What kind of material is on the picture?
Wood and metal.
Wood and metal?
And glass.
Okay.
And glass and metal.
All right, let's do that. Picture. What's the first sound? P.
I.
Good. I.
A.
C. T. U. R. E. Our picture is made of a lot of different materials. Good. Think about what kind of materials that picture is made of. Wood. Our friends are saying wood. What else is it made of?
Glass.
Glass. Okay.
And then plastic. Plastic.
Got some plastic on it. Okay. Sounds good to me. Does it have any metal?
Yes.
Yeah, it's also got some metal. That picture has a lot of different materials on it.
And the middle.
Good thinking, friends. And some metal even on that picture. Very nice. Very nice. All right, good thinking, my friends. Whiteboard? Okay, okay. Keep going, keep working. If you're not finished, you can get them all on there. TV. Okay.
Fan, teacher, and fan.
Okay. Okay, friends. We're going to spend the rest of the time. You're going to choose your own words, okay? You're going to choose your own words, and you're going to fill in what materials they're made from, okay? So everybody can look around the room, choose your own words, okay? And if you need help with spelling, raise your hand and I'll help you. Okay, what word? You've got all those materials here. Friends, if you need help with what your item is made of, raise your hand and we'll... What? Door. We'll put those over here. Door. Chair. If you know how to spell some of the things, like our fan or TV, you can go ahead and spell some of those on your own. Good, fan, very nice. Good, so think of a few more. Finish your... Great. Lights. L. Lights. Lights. Okay, friends? Good, okay, so we're going to spend the rest of our class filling out our worksheets together. Treasure hunt for items made of multiple materials. Raise your hand if you found an item that we didn't talk about on our list together here, that we didn't talk about on our list.
Me.
Yes.
Fan and light.
A fan. What is the fan made of?
Metal
Metal and plastic. Very nice.
and glass.
Okay, great. Pakboon, do you have another thing for us? The clock. Great. What's the clock made of?
Glass.
Glass, metal, and plastic. Very nice. Do you see the glass, metal, and plastic on our clock? Good. Lekau, what else did you find? The door. What kind of materials are on our door? Wood and metal are on our door.
TV.
The TV. What materials are on the TV? Glass.
And
Plastic. Good. Our TV has glass, metal, and plastic. What did you find? The chair. What is the chair made of? Very nice. Great job, friends. Thanks for joining us on our science lesson today. Everyone say goodbye.
goodbye.